What's good, everybody? Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm sorry I've not been posting much videos the last few weeks. I'll try my best to at least publish one video a week because I'm pretty busy with school right now. And yeah, this video I just want to give you an update of what I'm doing and what I'm looking at the markets right now. So stick around. Okay, before I start off, I want to congratulate those who got whitelisted from my giveaway back in 9th Jan. I did a giveaway on my Twitter. I gave away about 15 whitelist spots to my YouTube viewers and Twitter followers. And actually, for those of you who interacted with my tweet, did all that I've said, I gave everyone whitelist spots. And if you're one of the winners, you must be sitting very comfortably with a floor of right now 1.4 ETH. I think it went up to a high of about 1.8 and the mean price was only about 0.08. So that's literally more than a 10x in just one day. Pretty insane. And there are multiple sales throughout the day. Even now it's still going. Pretty insane to think about it. It already has 4,000 ETH volume traded, which I did not expect at all. But yeah, just want to congratulate you guys. Hopefully I can get more whitelist spots for you guys. So do continue to give me your support and I will do my best for you guys as well. And just to begin, I just want to give an update of the market. Right now you can see the OpenSea daily volume. Yesterday's daily volume was insane. So about 178 million in OpenSea daily volume, which is one of the highest in the month of January, which is a pretty good sign that NFTs are still going strong despite, the crypto markets crashing and all. But let me just give you a short overview of Bitcoin's chart right now and what do I see. As you can see here, Bitcoin is recovering pretty steadily right now since 2 days ago, and it dropped all the way down to about 32.9k, and right now it's sitting at about 37.8k. The price action is still pretty bearish. Even if price goes up to about 39k levels, it can still go back down easily because it's still in a downtrend. I've drawn the trend line from way back at the 69k levels, right at the top, connected all the major lower highs, lower high again. That's what I'm seeing right now. So I've used the Fibonacci retracement tool from the major high over here to the major low. And right now, these two yellow lines are pretty significant levels because based on history, back in May last year, all the way to about July last year, price was ranging about these price points. And so these are pretty significant levels. Later, if I'm not wrong, Jerome Powell from the US Federal Reserve will be talking about interest hikes and etc. And so if he brings bad news, markets are definitely going for the downturn again. And so this is what I see. Do be prepared for both ways. So right now I'm not invested much in anything right now. I'm sitting pretty much in only NFTs. I basically only have ETH right now. No gaming coins, no nothing. Just NFTs and ETH. Bitcoin could actually rise up a little bit more to about 38 to 39k levels and then come back down all the way to the 31k levels. This is just one possibility. So just keep this in mind. It may happen, it may not. This trade setup is invalidated if price goes back up above 40k levels and test the support at the 39k levels. If it does this instead, go up, test the support, and then go back up. This setup is only invalidated if price did this. Okay? Remember, do take profits. If you have not, we'll see where the market brings us later. Oh, just want to point out again, when the market crash, you will also see the NFT markets, tend to get lesser volume because, people are scared. People will not want to invest in NFTs either. So please, if you do not have much liquid ETH and you're sitting mostly in NFTs, please do take some profits because anytime NFTs could turn into a bear market as well. Okay, anyway, I also want to point out, since this is just an update video, my strategy for NFTs is still pretty much the same. I'm still trying to get whitelist for projects, as many projects as I can, and then see what's the NFT trading in the secondary markets before I mint my whitelist. In just the last 2 days, with just Killer GF and one more project that I got whitelisted for, which is called Mecha Apes, these two turned out really well. And so I sold Killer GF a bit too early, about 0.9 ETH, which is, it went up 2 times of it, but profit is profit. It's alright. And I also profited from Mecha Apes about 1.6 ETH total. I minted 3 of these. I got 2 of these Robo Ugas and one more other species, which is the Mecha Ape. That was the rarer ones. And so I got 3 of those. Total profit from just these 2 collections, I think I got about 2 ETH profit, which is pretty insane because the mint price for Killer GF was only 0.08, and these Mecha Apes, if I'm not wrong, the mint price was about 0.05. And so this is very insane. With that amount of money that you just invest, you could earn so much more just by getting whitelisted for these NFT projects. So this is still the safest method, and I'm still pretty much sticking to this method. And yeah, guys, I know it's difficult to get whitelist for these kinds of popular projects. So if you can afford to get into NFT projects that give out whitelist regularly, those alpha groups like the Ryan the Crypto group, Crypto Gorillas group, Takoya's group, Habibi's group, and Llamaverse group. These are all very good alpha groups, and they also consistently give whitelists to their members. And I'm in New Tokyo and Llamaverse, so I do get a lot of whitelists from them too, and that is how I profit a lot from these whitelists. You can also get whitelisted on your own, but it will speed up the process if you could get into these alpha discords and groups. So yeah, that's about it. I'll update you guys more on Twitter because it's easier to tweet compared to recording, and then I have to edit afterwards. So yep, that's it from me. Hope you guys like this video, and do remember the markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.